name is Sonia Eckel, independent sales consultant with Norwex. And I just wanted to come on and talk to you guys. If you have been kind of tossing around the idea of becoming a consultant, whether you want to do it more for personal use and get your own discount, or if you're ready to do what I do and actually make extra income, whatever the case may be, this is your month. First of all, let's talk about what comes in the starter kit. The Enviro cloth. This is your everything cloth. It's going to rock your world. It's going to save you tons of money, tons of time, and most importantly, I think it's going to help you create a safer home because you no longer need to buy the typical chemical cleaners. Boop, boop. And even if you're green cleaning already, it's just going to save you a ton of money. So sweet. We know that we use these with just water to clean virtually every surface in your home, and they're amazing. So the starter kit comes with two, which I like to color code our home. So if you want to think about green for clean, just, this is your everything clean cloth. And then personally, I know this isn't very nice to the pink cloth, but the pink one gets used for dirty jobs at our house, toilets and stuff like that. So it's really nice to have a couple of them. I actually recommend more than two, but anyway. All right, then the amazing window cloth. All right, some of you already have this. You know it is crazy awesome. And so that comes in the starter kit as well. And we've got the dusting mitt. So this is great. I love how long it keeps our house from getting dusty. So much better than back when I used the dusting sprays and cleaners and all of that. So I just actually find that dusting is a bit of a futile task. So the dusting mitt actually makes me like it better. Thank you, Norwex. All right, how are you gonna take care? Hello, Heather. I know, is that dusting mitt not amazing? I hear from people who have allergies to dust or whatever's in our dust, that they don't sneeze and cough when they dust with the Norwex dust mitt anymore, because instead of just like stirring it up all over, it actually collects the dust and it can leave your home, right? All right, so we often talk about how do you care for your Norwex, and it is so simple. You wash them in the washer, dry them in the dryer, easy, easy, easy. My favorite detergent, I love, love, love the Norwex detergent. And you get a sample size in your starter kit, and let me just tell you, this will last you forever, especially if you have a high efficiency washer. I only use 1 teaspoon per load in our HE washer. And I've got 4 boys, and I'm telling you, the laundry at our house is craziness. So love that. That comes in the starter kit. And then let's talk showers and tubs and bathrooms. Blah. Not our favorite thing, but this bathroom scrub mitt is one of my favorite things. It cleans your shower, your tub, usually just with water. It does the trick, but sometimes when I've left my tub and shower a little too long, the cleaning paste is absolutely amazing. And so you get a little mini cleaning paste in your starter kit. Once again, what you'll find when you start using Norwex is these products are very concentrated and they tend to last a long time. And so this little mini cleaning paste will last you quite a while. Of course, you'll probably want a full size as well, because I like to have one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen. I use it for my smooth top stove. I use it, as I said, in tubs and showers, in my bathroom sink. Ladies, I don't know about you guys, but I use some mineral makeup, and so sometimes that gets in that sink and it just doesn't look nice, but just one little swipe with that mitt and the cleaning paste and it just looks sparkling and amazing. So, and then I saved my favorite for last, because you guys know I love, love, love the Norwex mop. And honestly, I got my mop in my starter kit 8.5 years ago and earned it for free, which I'm going to tell you all the details about that in a second. But this mop has literally changed my life, because I never could find a mop that actually cleaned my floor to my satisfaction, and I just love this. So the yellow mop pad is like your duster. It's kind of like putting the dust mitt on your mop, and so that's your sweeper, is my best yellow, sunny, dry, right? And then it comes also in the kit with the blue mop pad, which this is the one that you wet with just water. And this is more like taking an Enviro cloth to your floor. So love it. The mop handle is telescopic, so that's really nice for if you are, no matter your height, it will be a really good fit for you that way as well. So, and I totally forgot to grab the body pack. Well, anyway, the body pack is one of our top sellers, and you get a body pack in your starter kit. And for me, it is my facial cleanser, my facial exfoliator, everything. It takes off the makeup with no problem, and I just use water. So I love it. I've been using it for 8.5 years. And so that comes in your starter kit as well. So the starter kit is my favorite. It's like this power-packed package of awesomeness. And so the starter kit costs $200, but Norwex is so gracious. They send it to you for about $10 shipping, and they give you 90 days to earn it for free, right? So, oh, I agree, Loretta, that the body pack is so fantastic for makeup removal. Okay, so they give you 90 days to earn your starter kit for free so that you never actually get charged the $200. Yay! Now its value is over, I think, $280. So right there, even worst case scenario, if you paid $200, it is worth way more than that. However, I am all about earning it for free. So when you have 2,000 sales in your first 90 days, you don't pay that $200 for the kit, okay? This I love. Now, when you go and you are actually signing up, it's awesome. Norwex makes it super easy. You can sign up online. I'd be delighted to be your mentor and sponsor in your Norwex journey. So when you go to the website to sign on, I want to give you a couple heads up of things you're going to find. First of all, as you're signing up, it'll ask you which kit. Just pick the party starter kit. That's what I just talked to you about. Secondly, they'll give you an option to opt into texts from Norwex, which will totally help you get off to a great start because they do like video trainings and they let you know how you're doing on your getting started, bonuses and all of that. So I would opt into that. Another thing is it'll ask you if you want to opt in for 60 days free of the Office Suite subscription. I would say absolutely yes, do opt in for that. 60 days free. It's so nice as you're getting started to be able to collect web orders from your customers, okay? And then one of my very, very, very favorite things that you get to do, it's a one-time opportunity to snatch this up, is at the time when you're signing on, the system will ask you if you want to do a kit builder order, okay? Now there's silver, gold, and platinum. They're all amazing, awesome. I'm going to tell you that my personal favorite is the gold. The middle one is so fabulous, so good. It has so many of my favorites, like the Enviro wand. You're going to get things that are going to help you start your business, things you're going to want to be using in your home. The optic scarf, the liquid detergent, the toothbrush. Oh my goodness, the toothbrush is so good, so good. The mattress cleaner. So really, honestly, it's a lot of the things that if you were to ask me, what should I get to get started? That would be this gold package. It's all stuff you're going to want in your home. So you have that one-time opportunity to do that, and not only do you get your 35% off, but you get an extra 10% off. So get an extra 10% off, and plus your 35% consultant discount, and you get free. Let me just check this. So I tell you right, free order forms. You're going to want those. 20 free catalogs, and the Real Solutions cards, which are fantastic. They're normally $20 and you get them free with this gold kit as well. So anyway, I just have to say that when you're signing on, take a serious look at that because it's awesome. And then Norwex does a great getting started program. It's basically your business plan. They just send you all sorts of free stuff when you meet your bonus goals along the way. But the cool thing is if you do the gold package, it automatically you meet step 1, which gets you another bunch of free stuff, $135 worth of free stuff right there. And then that means you're already $400 on meeting your qualification. Plus, then you have the 35% discount. So anyway, this is just scratching the surface. Norwex is the most generous company I have personally seen. I cannot even believe how good they are to their hosts, to us as their consultants, and to their customers. They just treat us amazing, and they're so, so generous. And so it's just, this is just one more example of their incredible generosity. So if you have been thinking about joining Norwex as a consultant, if you want the discount for yourself, if you want to do it kind of as a side gig just for some extra income, if you want to do what I've done, which is build a significant full-time income, whatever it might be. I mean, sometimes it's just that you want to take a trip somewhere and that's above and beyond the monthly budget, and you want something that's going to pay to do that, or redo the kitchen, or send the kids to private school. You know, everybody has their own reasons, but I will tell you that Norwex is an amazing, amazing opportunity. It's a grocery item. It's not a luxury item. Like, everybody has to clean, like it or not, right? I don't love to clean, but I love a clean house, and I love how fast I can do it with Norwex. So we also have a huge mission. We really have a big mission to help people learn how easy it is to get toxic things out of their homes. Because the more studies that come out, the more it is being confirmed that this stuff is not good for our health. And when we bring it within the four walls of our house, it can have a negative impact on us and our loved ones. And so why not just clean that out and learn how to clean the Norwex way? I mean, we do, I would say 90% of our cleaning now with just water, which is so fantastic. And for those extra jobs where you need a little something, Norwex has great options for that too. So feel free to message me. Actually, you can text me if you have questions, if you're thinking about it. Hey, thanks you guys. My cell number is 319-270-7822. All right, thanks you guys, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. We'll see ya.